What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to All About AI Tech, the channel dedicated to keeping you ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. This month has been absolutely mind-blowing, folks. We've got major breakthroughs, ethical dilemmas, and even AI changing the game in sports. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive into the top 5 AI updates you absolutely cannot miss. First up, Google's at it again, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. You know those dazzling firework displays we all love? Well, get ready for something even cooler and way more futuristic. Google just lit up the Wasco County Fair with an absolutely jaw-dropping drone light show. Picture this: hundreds of drones dancing in the night sky, perfectly synchronized to music, creating stunning 3D animations and even company logos. This is AI in action, folks. It's incredible to see AI being used in such a captivating and entertaining way, and it definitely makes you wonder what kind of mesmerizing AI-powered shows we'll see in the future. Speaking of AI pushing boundaries, now let's talk about how AI is changing the game, literally. Caitlin Clark, the young basketball phenom for the WNBA's Indiana Fever, is absolutely tearing up the court this season, breaking records left and right. And you know what's playing a huge role in her success? You guessed it, artificial intelligence. Teams and analysts are using AI-powered software to analyze hours of game footage, track player movements and strategies, and gain a competitive edge. Clark's success is a prime example of how AI is transforming sports, providing insights and predictions that can take an athlete's game to a whole new level. We're talking about data-driven training plans, real-time performance feedback, and even AI-powered scouting reports. The future of athletics is here, and it's powered by AI. Okay, from the basketball court, we're jumping into the art world, where things are getting really interesting, and I'm not just talking about pretty pictures. Artist Amanda Browder is making waves with her latest project, Razzle Dazzle, a massive, vibrant textile art installation that's impossible to ignore, and it sparks a crucial conversation about AI's role in art. Browder used AI algorithms to help generate patterns and color combinations for the fabric pieces. The result is a stunning display of color and texture. It's absolutely mesmerizing, but it also begs the question: what does it mean for the future of art when AI can assist in the creation process? It's a hot topic in the art world, and this project throws some fuel on that fire. Is it collaboration? Is it AI taking over? Let me know what you think in the comments, because I'm really curious to hear your thoughts on this one. Now, gentlemen, let's talk fashion, specifically the intersection of fashion and AI, because yes, even the clothes we wear are being touched by artificial intelligence. Top brands are turning to AI to help them design next-level sportswear, and the results are pretty impressive. Take the new Fila Casa collection, for example. This collection, seen on tennis star Emma Navarro, is a perfect blend of classic tennis style and modern design elements. But here's the twist: AI algorithms were used to analyze trends, predict popular styles, and even optimize the fit and performance of the garments. That's right, AI is influencing everything from the color palettes to the fabric technology. This means we can expect even more innovative and stylish sportswear in the future, all thanks to the power of AI. From the tennis courts to the football pitch it is. Over in the world of soccer, the legendary Juventus Football Club is embracing AI in a big way to gain a competitive advantage. They're using sophisticated AI algorithms to analyze player performance, track their opponent's weaknesses, and even predict the outcome of matches. This information is crucial for coaches like Thiago Motta, allowing them to make data-driven decisions and fine-tune their strategies. Imagine having AI at your disposal to analyze every pass, every shot, and every tactical decision. That's the future of professional soccer, and it's clear that Juventus is leading the charge. And for all you music lovers out there, AI is hitting the high notes in the entertainment industry too. Three-time Tony Award winner Patti LuPone recently wowed audiences at Carnegie Hall with her concert, A Life in Notes. But what many people don't know is that AI played a behind-the-scenes role in making this incredible performance even more unforgettable. AI-powered sound engineering tools are being used to enhance audio quality, create stunning visual effects, and even personalize the concert experience for audiences. Imagine attending a live performance where the music responds to your emotions or the visuals adapt to your preferences. That's the power of AI in entertainment, pushing creative boundaries like never before. Now let's shift gears to the luxurious world of jewelry, where AI is adding some serious sparkle. Hyderabad, known as the City of Pearls, is hosting the prestigious Jewelry World exhibition, and guess what's stealing the show this year? AI-powered design tools. That's right, jewelry designers are incorporating AI algorithms into their creative process, allowing them to generate unique designs, experiment with different materials and gemstones, and even personalize pieces for their clients. Imagine walking into a jewelry store and having an AI stylist help you create a one-of-a-kind piece that reflects your individual style. That's the future of luxury retail, and it's all about customization and cutting-edge technology. And finally, I want to talk about you guys, the All About AI Tech community. I see your comments, I hear your questions, and I truly appreciate your support. I'm always working hard to improve the quality of these videos, make them more informative and engaging, and create a space where we can all learn, grow, and geek out over all things AI. So, if you have any suggestions, feedback, or burning AI questions, please don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to connect with you. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey through the latest AI advancements. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the next AI News Roundup. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and keep your eyes on the future. Peace out.